All right, number 19. Public goods are not sold in efficient quantities in the marketplace because. And I think the problem with this question is that it's worded in such a way that it's unnecessarily confusing. Because a public good is just, it means it's non-excludable, everyone has access to it, and it's non-rival. My use doesn't diminish your use. So we talk about national defense, we talk about fire departments, or whatever else. So to say they provide almost no benefit to society, that is wrong. They're usually poor quality goods. That is not necessarily the case. They're usually so costly that only wealthy can afford them. I'm going to say no, like, unless you talk about the U.S. military, and then no one on earth can afford it if they're individual. The more one person has, the less another person has. That would make it rival, which it is not. So the answer is one supplied to a buyer that are made available at no cost to someone else, which is not how we talk about public goods when we talk about fire departments, when we talk about national defense. But that is the least terrible answer.